this is very interesting padlock we found. Pretty cool stuff, right? Here it is. Alright, it's marked Chen T, probably China, but who knows. Here's the build quality we have. Yeah. So here is how the magic happens. Try opening it, it doesn't open, right? There is no key plug anywhere, as you can see. Alright, and here is the magic. Oh, this is the magic key. So this is the magic place you need to look for. We do like this, we connect it. As you see, there is no magnet. See, no magnet. We try putting it and it doesn't open. Alright, try it this way and it opens. Magic. But originally you're supposed to do like this, hop, and the magic happens, right? Here's the inside. So we close it, you can feel a magnetic force, hop, when it closes, but when it opens, hop, here's the closure. Here, this way, you can see I don't feel any magnetic force from the key and the padlock. So you see, it doesn't hold it. Only magnetic force is when you open it. So this is it, the magic padlock.